Hello! Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Yeah, as you may see, we have got today yogurt cucumber salad. So we're gonna start with the peeling and washing cucumber. I left the peel just halfway like this. It's just basically up to you. We're gonna use a grater. Of course, you can use a knife and cut the cucumber. It's just basically up to you. And after we have cut all our cucumber, we are gonna add some salt and we are gonna let it rest for around 10 minutes or 15 minutes, yeah, just like that. After this time it just goes through, we are gonna just look, once you squeeze a little bit, this water we're gonna discard, yeah, that's the salt and that's what we don't want. So we got some yogurt, Italian herbs, garlic, fresh coriander, our cucumber, of course, anchovies, some spring onions. So this, we're gonna cut everything like spring onion, just like this, both part white and green. We're gonna mince some garlic, yeah, also, and to our main container where we are making the salad, yeah, just like that. And now we're gonna cut the anchovies, yeah, just small pieces, just like that. You can avoid this ingredient if you don't want to, but I just had it there and I just wanted to use it. So now we're gonna chop the fresh coriander. You can change fresh coriander instead of parsley if you want to. Of course, it's very flexible as everything in the kitchen, yeah. There are things that you can also switch. So we're gonna add that kind of 1.5 spoons of Italian herbs, dried in this case. I didn't have any fresh one, and I'm using I've got some olive oil, ground pepper. Remember, we've got salt already. We just need to check after we mix everything how the salt is. So we're gonna add some lemon zest, and of course a little bit of lemon juice. We are gonna just cut now after we use the zest. This zest is very nice once you have it, and it brings a really nice taste to the salad while you're eating it. Yeah, it brings this acidity. It's very nice. I just can't explain it. So after we use the lemon, we're gonna add some yogurt. I'm using some Greek yogurt. This is just around 250 grams, I guess, each of the containers. I need to check. I will leave you in the recipe the quantity I use. I use actually 2 of them, and then just like that we're gonna mix it, check the salt, check the acidity, and correct it. Add a little bit of salt if you need, everything, yeah. So if you are so far till here, I hope you like it. Please leave your thumb up. And of course, if you have any comments down here, I answer all the questions if you have any. Just a little of deco. I'm using some paprika and some dry herbs. So take care everyone, and I hope you like it, and subscribe. Cheers.